Hello everyone. Before going into detail of my machine, I will introduce for you guys about the yarn winding machine. Okay, the function of yarn winding machine is wrap the yarn from a supply packet to many smaller plastic core, so it will be to facilitate the use and trading process. There are two main type of yarn winding machine. The first one, fully automatic yarn winding machine. This type of machine is equipped with the automatic plastic core feeding system, so it is not depending on human too much. And the second one is semi-automatic yarn winding machine. For this type of machine, the automatic plastic core feeding system is not available, so it is depending on human in the feeding plastic core process. Okay, now turn to the problem statement. I will show you guys what I'm doing and why I choose this topic. As I said before, the semi-automatic machine is depending too much on the worker in the feeding plastic core process. For that reason, the efficiency of it is less than the fully automatic machine. And currently, there is a large number of semi-automatic machine are in used. For these reasons, I came up with the idea of upgrading the semi-automatic machine to the fully automatic machine by adding two main mechanisms: separating plastic core system and plastic core handling system. Okay, now let's see my design in SolidWorks software.